Purok 4. Which qualities of our community make you most proud and why? Again, as a proud member of Purok 4, which qualities of our community make you most proud and why? Sa Bisaya pa? Ingon usa ka proud member sa Purok 4, unsa nga qualities sa atong komunidad ang nakapahimo nimo nga proud og nganong ing-ana?
Good evening to all, especially to our judges. And thank you for that wonderful question. My answer of that question is, as a proud member of Purok 4, what makes me proud of is our community, the strong sense and unity and cooperation among the people. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, male candidate number 2, and this time, female candidate number 2. Please join us here. Ayan, relax naman dito sa likod. Hello, candidate number 2. Kumusta? First time ba ni mo nga ni-appeal diri?
Yes po.
So, unsa man ang imo maingon nga murag hapit na mong ulan? Charis lang. Oo. Okay ra ba? Okay ra ka? Napa kay gusto pasalamatan karong gabi una?
Nagpasalamat ko sa akong mga ka-cluster kay kanang gisuportahan yung ko nila.
So, thank you so much. So, this is your question. The question is, Purok 4 is our home. If you are given the chance to represent it as Mr. or Miss New Sibuyan 2026, what project would you like to start to help improve our Purok? Again, Purok 4 is our home. If you are given a chance to represent it as a Mr. and Miss New Sibuyan 2026, what project would you like to start to help improve our Purok? Sa Bisaya? Kulbaan ko sa Bisaya, Nicole. Oo. Ang Purok 4 mao ang lugar kung asa atong gidak-an. Kung ikaw mahimong Mr. or Miss New Sibuyan 2026, unsang proyekto ang gusto nimo buhaton para mapalambo ang Purok 4?
Good evening, everyone. I would like to start a youth-centered project that focuses on cleanliness and unity in our Purok. For example, we organize regular cleanup drives. And small activities where young people can work together and get to know each other more. Aside from that, I would like to encourage everyone, especially the youth, to be more responsible and more active in helping our community. I believe that even small actions, when done together, can create big changes. Through this, we can build more stronger, more united, and more active community. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2.